The next great event which will be discussed has been mentioned in many narrations, such as the one found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6934. It is when the rebels challenged the leadership of the fourth rightly guided Caliph of Islam, Ali ibn Abu Talib, may Allah be pleased with him. This narration, like many others, indicates that the rebels, in most cases, were devoted worshippers of Allah, the Exalted, but the thing which caused them to deviate from the true teachings of Islam was their ignorance. They foolishly gave worship more value than gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. Their ignorance caused them to misinterpret the teachings of Islam, which led to their heinous sins. If they possessed true knowledge, this would not have happened. It is important for Muslims to understand how knowledge can prevent sins, especially towards others, such as domestic abuse. One only refrains from wronging others when they fear the consequences of their actions, meaning being held accountable and punished by Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. But the foundation and root of fear of the consequences of one's actions is knowledge. Without knowledge, one will never fear the consequences of their actions. This will allow their ignorance to encourage them towards committing sins and wronging others. If society desires to reduce the cases of domestic abuse and other crimes against people, they must give priority to gaining and acting on knowledge, as worship alone will not cause this to happen, just like it did not prevent the rebels from deviating from Islam and causing great distress to innocent people. Chapter 35 Fatir, verse 28.
Only those fear Allah from among His servants who have knowledge.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.